So hello friends, this is Kaustup Pathare again with a new video. Welcome to our channel Making Maths Easy. Today this is video about the complex numbers. So we will take the first example. If z is equal to 1 plus 3i, find the modulus and amplitude of z. So in order to calculate the modulus and amplitude of z, we will first find out the values of a and b in the z. As we all know that complex number is denoted by z, which is equal to a plus ib. So we'll compare this equation with the given equation. So as we know that complex number are defined by capital Z, which is equal to a plus ib. Okay, on comparing this equation with the above given equation, we will get z is equal to 1 plus 3i. So here a will be equal to 1 and then b will be equal to 3 in this case. So now we have to find the modulus and amplitude. First we will find out the modulus of the z. So modulus of the z is represented by mod of z, which is represented by the formula square root of a square plus b square. So this is a standard formula for the for finding the modulus of the z. So we will further solve this. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3. So it will be the square root of 1 square plus 3 square which will be equal to square root of square root of 1 plus 9, as 3 square is equal to 9. We know all that. So then mod of z is equal to square root of 10. So we have find out the modulus, which is the square root of 10. Now we will find out the amplitude. For finding the amplitude, the formula is amplitude is the angle which is given by z, means which is equal to theta. We can also write theta, and we can also write amplitude of z. So which is equal to theta, which is equal to tan inverse of which is equal to tan inverse of b upon a, b divided by a. So we have b, the value of b is here it is 3 and value of a it is 1. So the theta or the amplitude will be equal to tan inverse of theta, or the amplitude will be tan inverse of 3 upon 1, means 3. So it will be tan inverse of 3. So hence we have found out the amplitude. The amplitude of the given equation is 10, square root of 10, whereas the amplitude modulus of the given equation is square root of 10, whereas the amplitude is tan inverse of 3. So our next sum is based on we have to express this 1 plus 2i into minus 2 plus I in the form of a plus ib. So this is a multiplicative property or multiplication of two expressions or two complex numbers. So multiplication of two complex number, we will try to make it in the form of a plus ib. We have to make the multiply two complex number and make a single complex number. So in order to do this, first start with the number which we have, which is 1 plus 2i. This is the first number. and this is second number, minus 2 plus I. So which is equal to, first of all, try to multiply, try to take this 2 and multiply this whole bracket with 2. Then it will become minus 2, make a bracket, plus 2I plus I into, first multiply this minus 2 with this whole bracket, then plus then multiply this I with this whole bracket, then it will become 1 plus 2I, and then close the bracket. Okay, now it will be minus 2 minus 4I 4I minus 2 minus 4I plus I plus 2 I square. So we know, as we know that value of I square equal to minus 1. So this I square will be replaced by minus 1. So hence we will put minus 2 minus 4I plus I. First 4I minus 4I plus I gives me 3I. So instead of 4I and I, minus 4I and I will put 3I, and minus 2, then plus 2I square, instead of I square I will put plus 2 multiplied by minus 1 and close the bracket. After this it will be minus 2 minus 3I minus 2 and then close the bracket. So it will be 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 3I. So our real part we have expressed in the form of a plus ib, where the value of a is equal to minus 4, whereas the value of b is equal to minus 3. So in this way we have to express the more complex and difficult sums in the simplest form, and we have to bring it in the form of a plus ib. We have to, this is the multiplication of two complex number to form a single complex number. In the next video we will make the operations on complex and very much complicated complex numbers, in order to simplify them and bring it in the simplest format, such as a plus ib. And also we will do the division of complex number and bring it in the form of a plus ib. So if you like my video, please share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.